grind it, bro. Just grind hard.
Oh! Oh!
Wow! Yeah! Oh, that Tranks 400?
Yeah.
Just working it.
Hang on. Go.
Yeah. Oh, that Colt Sniper grinding it. That's the Colt Sniper right there. 42 gram, right?
Yep.
Original treble hook on it.
Yeah.
Long drop, quick retrieve. Beautiful fish. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's your buddy Mikey here, SD Fish and Sips, and we are at Freedom Boat Club down here in San Diego, downtown. We got the man, the myth, the legend, Captain Nom. We got 10 in the house. We're on the Dodo. What kind of boat is it? Key West?
Key West, yep.
Little walkthrough checklist stuff, right? We got the flares and all the, that's all the safety stuff?
Yep.
That's all in here, huh?
Yeah. In the box right there,
Yep.
box down there, the flares in there.
All the life vests and everything like that.
It's all there. So just check the fuel capacity. We got fuel in there.
They got the Simrad unit. That's what we're working with on the fish finder. There's no radar, right? It's just,
No,
yeah.
we're not allowed to go in the dark, so.
Not
we're
needed.
ready to
Comes loaded with
Yep, fuel.
gas, yeah, fuel, so.
All right.
Yamaha 150 on the back of it. Key West. Is this the same one we went on with Robert? When we went out to the Coronados with Robert? Is it the same boat?
I don't know.
It's the same model. We were definitely on the same thing. Oh, then you got the radio. Just basically the bare basics, right? And then you bring everything else, all the other gear. So this is your go-to. You're fishing the Tranks 400.
Sniper,
That's your jig stick, Sniper jig stick. 1540 Phoenix. What kind of Phoenix this is?
East Coast edition.
East Coast edition.
I like it lightweight. It has a pretty good backbone for, 25 up to 40-pound fish.
Yeah, it's perfect for the yellowfin. Then I see you use a clip on the end too, right? So you can switch out jigs. Yeah, quick clip. That's what I got too.
Start them up, make sure good.
Never have to worry about maintenance or nothing on the motors with Freedom Boat Club, huh?
Yep.
All right, you want me to untie? You fished off that one right there, the Defiance?
Yeah.
Is that where you saw me out in La Jolla when I was on the skiff?
Yeah.
You got another Key West. They got a lot of the Key West, huh?
Yeah, that's their main. I want to take this one out.
Wow, that one's sick, dude.
Yeah, it's cool, huh?
Wow, I like that one a lot.
Yeah.
It's almost like a little rattan.
Yeah.
Is that new?
Yeah.
So what's the name of the game today?
Well, the word's been out that the fish are a little west of the lower 9 Mile bank, right in the canyon there.
But it's yellowfin, right? It's finally, the yellowfin are starting to show up in better numbers.
Yeah, it seems like it.
Starting to get horny.
Right? Everyone's been waiting for them to start going that crazy wide open. I saw Ocean Odyssey like a week ago got 100 in their count, right? Yeah, they said like on a 3 or 4 hour drift.
Yeah, so yeah, we'll take a look over there and we'll just work down the canyon all the way down. There's a good break right there though at the 302 226 area.
A good temp break.
Temp break, and there's a good color break right there too.
Are you gonna start out with 20 pound or 25 pound? What are you gonna start with?
Probably 25. I got a 25 already ready to go.
Same for 30, dude.
But there's some skipjack being caught, so I think the bite can be a little bit better with the skipjack being in the game. Because the skipjack usually gets excited before the yellowfin, I'd say. So once they get
Triggers the yellowfin to bite better.
Yeah,
The skipjack.
Yeah, they get more aggressive when the yellowfins are in it.
Because it's a competition for the bait. Yeah. And also, jigs. You think most of the jigs are going to be the Colt Sniper?
I've always done well with the Colt Sniper, so I like to use that.
The 40 gram, 42 gram?
42 and 60 is good, Just depend on the current and depend on where they're trying to bite in the water column, If the light one aren't doing too well and you have to let it sink longer, then you might want to go heavier. What I like to do is I cast it out, let it sink for like about a minute, you know, then just grind it, just grind, like to the point where your arm's gonna fall off. And that's when you get hit.
Okay.
But you keep going, even though your arm's getting slower, you keep going. Don't
just
stop.
keep grinding.
Keep grinding, and then they'll hit it. Right when you think that you're not gonna get slammed, because you're so tired, you get slammed. You know?
Yeah, you haven't gotten too much on the drop. You haven't gotten bit on the drop.
Not for me this season. I mean, that's more of a flat ball deal, and I haven't had any luck this season so far. But then again, I haven't tried it that much, so. But you have some luck.
That's what I got. Those two were on the drop. Yeah, exactly. It was a tap.
Dropping, right?
Yeah, it was a tap drop straight down. They tap on the drop.
Basically, what you're doing right there is called vertical jigging.
Yeah, correct.
You drop it straight down, you grind it straight up.
Yep.
You know,
I didn't even have a chance to grind it though. They hit it on the drop both times.
Yeah.
That's when you know it's good.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
It's like, what?
Downtown San Diego. All right, let's get it. Here we go. How much bait you gonna get?
One scoop.
Full scoop?
Oh, one scoop.
Yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, might as well, right?
Yeah.
Gotta have both, exactly, chum power.
How much you get? One full scoop? One full scoop, please.
Oh, good mackerel there.
Nice.
All right, good.
Yeah, we
Thank
did.
you. Yeah, please. We're trying to hopefully get a Martin ticket.
Everybody loves pizza.
What? Number one, I hollered you on the radio earlier.
There he goes.
Yeah, Trevor, you hear me?
Just one mackerel. Do a little more. Do a little more.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be two from the movie, John. You going off short day?
I'm gonna go out for the Yellowfin today.
Yeah, I was down there yesterday. Plenty of fish. They would only eat 20 pound in a size 4 J hook for us, so. Maybe that
Okay,
might
thank
help
you.
out.
Thank you, guys. All right, bro.
20-pound size 4J hook.
Level today, so I'll find out back.
Okay. All right, cool. I'll see you out. Wait. Say, what area? Like the canyon, right?
That's they're pushing up kind of each day. Yeah, there's plenty of fish. It's just they're finicky. They only eat size 4 J hook for us and 20 pounds. So hopefully they chew for you guys today. Lots of boats yesterday though too, you know.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
All right, 20-pound. I got a little small J hook too. Yeah, 20-pound.
Limit style Dorado stuff out there for sure. It's just a ways, you know, a ways down.
There it is. Got the yacker going for that halibut right there. Halibut life, right?
Yep.
Season's gonna start on Saturday.
Yeah,
Saturday night.
Invite you too.
The yellows
Yeah, like in a month or two. The bigger
Ha-
ones.
on the yo-yo or what?
Yo-yo, yeah.
Yeah.
Yo-yo and drop a loops.
Yep.
Status.
Yeah, winter time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn. There's 10's biggest La Jolla yellowtail. What'd you say, 50? 55?
55, yeah.
55, biggest yellowtail I've ever seen. What'd you say? No, that's when the LJ was the real deal?
That was a real LJ back then. Those were the fish that were there.
Yeah, and big white sea. All right, we're leaving the bay now. Next stop, the tuna ground. We're here at the end of September 27th, 2021 now. We're getting on that yellowfin tuna life. Let's see what we can make happen. Freedom Boat Club, here we go. First kelp patty of the day. What do we got? Doesn't look like there's any fish on it. Right? I don't see any fish. Not even any bait on it. What's going on with that boat? They fishing? They hooked up?
They're trolling, bro. That looks like Yeah, you're right, bro. That's
Malahini. Yeah. We'll do it. Patty number 2 appears to be empty also, huh?
Yeah. Story of the year.
No bait, no fish. Got some more dolphins here. Put the feeder plug back out.
Yep.
See what we can make happen. Got the sport boats going hard. Malahini, I don't know what boat this is. Another one there in the distance. The zone right here. Let's get bit. They're chumming and fishing right now.
Yep.
San Diego.
That's
We're in the
Vendetta.
zone.
Vendetta.
Oh, Vendetta's going out there.
Oh, that's right. Yeah,
Malahini, Vendetta,
Malahini, Vendetta, and then San Diego. It looks like San Diego's hooked up too. Let's do it. So work the area just looking for signs of life, right?
Yeah, we're gonna look for a
Troll through it, meter marks, yeah.
Kind of work the area right now.
And then any surface visuals.
Yeah, looks like not much going on. That guy that was on the other boat, he was out of Tanner, he got a 90 pounder on it.
I have one of those also. Do you have the pink Mad Mac or what color?
Greenback.
Dang, and then you got the Talica 20. All are real.
Yeah, I
Big
got the
baller.
Marlin on that one.
You got the what?
The Marlin?
That was the Marlin reel?
Yeah.
Marlin Freedom Boat Club. There's the Mad Mac, Nomad. Send it. Put out live bait or what do you
Hang
think?
on, we gotta reel these in real quick.
Okay.
Help out here, Bill. That's enough, bro. Throw your fly line out.
What? Don't reel it
No,
anymore?
reel that in. I'm telling him to throw the fly line out so we can get bit up. We need to get one fish hooked up so then the rest will come in.
You see them right there though, right?
Yeah, they're right there. They're under us. They're under us.
Oh yeah, the
Little
Fallon
pen right
25.
here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one. It's a nice sized one for a live bait and stuff.
Exactly. Throw the jigs with it too. What do you think? To get the live bait out and all?
Yeah, get the live bait out.
20 pound? I'm gonna go 20 pound.
Get the 20 pound going. There's fish under us.
Nervous.
Oh, blow up! All behind us, right there. Got a nice blow up behind us, guys. There they are. They're right behind us.
Good bait.
Yeah, get some good bait out, guys. They're coming behind us, right there. They're right behind us.
I swear they're like they're hitting it, but they're not taking it. I usually they always hit it hard, right?
They look like smaller fish. I'm gonna throw out light line. I'm gonna go 60 pounds.
I'm going 20 right here. What do we got? They hooked up? Yeah, that guy's Bendo right there, right?
Yeah, he's kind of hard.
Yep. Cranking it. Probably the same one that was on the other side of the stern. We've got the Mad Mac out. Feeder plug. San Diego's over here hooked up. Oh yeah, on the bow too. Somebody's hooked up. You just saw. Oh yeah, I saw a blow up right there. Let's see it. Definitely looks like the zone. Liberty right here. They're gapping right now, huh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Bendo.
Yeah.
Getting the gaff shot.
Got him?
Yeah, look like a little yellowfin.
Nice. Finally, bro. Get him out there, boys. We're finally getting bit. Go to work, guys. Right in front of the bow, what I say? Right in front of the bow, right?
Yep.
Right in front of the bow. Get him out, boys. You got him. Get your fish on. Take your time, bro. No worries.
Well, I don't want to run out of line though. 20 pounds.
Yeah, that's a 20 pound too.
You good on 20 pounds? Okay, good. Getting bit up. That guy getting bit again in the back. That's a good sign. Going 16 pound test. I'm playing with fire. Nose hook?
Yeah. Sardine. Got him.
Come close?
No, not yet.
Oh,
He took a lot. He took a big run.
Everybody's hooking up right now.
I thought I saw a deep color right here.
Yeah, he's a strong fish, bro.
Is this skipjack? What is this? Bonito? Is it yellowfin? Here. Put this on there.
Yeah. Nice.
That way?
There you go. Atta boy.
Thank you. Fish on the boat.
Push on the boat.
Yeah.
Bloody dicks.
Good job, guys. That'll be Colt sniper time.
You think throw the Colt sniper, put it
No.
on a live bait, right?
Yeah, no, like, keep going like
Yeah.
that,
Yeah.
20 pound.
though. Sketchy with
I
16.
think 20 should be good.
Right in the corner of his mouth. That
Good job.
got a nice J.
Blow up everywhere.
Oh, squirting blood, bro.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Oh, he's hooked up again over there. Freedom Boat Club going hard. Freedom Boat Club hooking up over there.
Oh, another Freedom Boat Club?
Right there. They hooked up twice already. He's on a good one. Chum the water a little bit more, please. We got to keep the fish to the boat.
Chum?
Yeah, just one or two, not too much. One or two to keep them going.
They're not biting the 30?
You want to use my 16?
No, I'm about to put on
Okay. Yeah, don't do 16. Sketchy. Look at me. I'm struggling. Ah. Good. Good. It's hard to fight with light line like that, bro.
I'm not getting bit.
Change it.
Yeah.
Because all these guys hooking up still. Big fish or something, bro.
That's what I'm
You think
saying.
I'm on a
I think
skipjack?
that you got a, I think you got a yellowfin. By how much it's fighting?
Either big skipjack or whatever it is. Oh! Don't use light line. Well, because I put a lot more pressure on it.
Broke.
regular.
Yeah, look at the fray. I got chewed off.
Dang, that's the risk you take fishing that
Yeah.
16 pound. Let's get another one out there on that little 20 pound little J hook. Dang, these guys are hooked up again, or is that same fish?
Same fish.
Look like boils right here. Oh no, sea dog? I just saw something splash. I saw the back of it. Grinding on. Yeah, it looks like they're gapping it right now though.
Fly out, throw fly out.
Fly line?
Yeah, I'm gonna go right under the zone.
All right.
Throw the fly out. I'm gonna throw it. Oh my God, foamer! Hurry up! Hurry up, foamer, foamer!
Where they at?
It'll float.
Right here?
Yeah, just throw behind.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Don't swim up. Get that bait out there.
I gets bit.
Yeah, should be getting bit. I mean, the guys next to us were 25. There are three,
Yeah.
Right now.
there are 3 fishes. They landed, we're all 25.
We're coming up higher than 3 meter right now.
Oh, nice. Gonna bring them up a little bit.
Yeah.
Next zone right here, we got the San Diego. It doesn't look like anyone's hooked up though, huh?
No.
It's got a ton of birds. They're just chumming.
Yeah.
Should I put out a live bait though?
Yeah, give it a shot.
Oh yeah, they're hooked up over there. Somebody is. Yeah. And I see a guy walking one back right now in his hand. Oh, right there. Right here. Off the bow. You really let this sink for a minute? I'll let it sink for a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fish. I'm gonna have it right here. Reeling it in, getting hooked up. See what this is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the skipjack, but we'll see.
Yeah, better than nothing. Yeah, the skipjack backwards, right? You got him.
Yep.
Tail hook skipjack.
Yep.
Nice purple color to it.
Yeah, those things are super purple. All right, skipjack number 2.
There you go, bud.
There
Nice.
it is on the
Nice.
Pentado. Right? I don't know how I got
Right
him.
there, dude. The hell? What the
Reeling
hell,
it
dude?
in.
He got snagged.
There you go.
Okay, there's a cat
They're not
over
biting. Snag 'em.
Bluish purple, foul hook, skipjack. Get them all bled out, cleaned out on ice. Try to smoke them. Dang! Look at that flying fish, just go! Still going. Dang, crazy ass flying fish. What are you seeing, Nom? Did you see some action up here? Birds?
A lot of people working.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
All right, what do we got? 1 o'clock. Black high tide right now. We've come across a few pockets of fish, fishing around the sport boat. Couple skipjacks. Looks like Old Glory's moving too. No action over here. They tried. Let's see what's going up front here. Maybe some action off. Wow, yeah, they're coming up. Look at that. They're still there. I'm gonna put a sardine out.
I'm a sardine too. I'm not gonna let it.
Still fish there, huh?
Yeah, there. Something's about to happen. Legit. They're coming up.
Dang. You trying the Colt sniper? Grind it, bro. Just grind hard.
Oh! Oh!
Wow! Yeah! Reel it in.
Oh! Fuck yeah!
You are a beast, bro! Yeah!
What, you're reeling in or what?
On the Colt sniper!
No way. Colt sniper now?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, check what's going on with yours.
42 grams, bro.
42?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I got on.
You just drop it or you cast it out?
I cast it out.
Oh, that Trang's 400?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, exactly. I'm still let it sink for a while, right, Nom?
Yeah, almost like 3/4 of a spool.
Really?
Yeah. Because they're deep, dude. They're 80, 100. These might be bluefin, bro.
You were grinding it back, right?
Dude. You saw me.
Yeah. No, I have it all on
Almost
tape,
did.
dude. I got you the hookup on the video.
No way.
Because I was like, remember I said grind it, grind it. You were like, I know I am. And then all of a sudden right after that, you hooked up. Yeah, deep color, nice fish, bro.
Oh, that's the yellowfin, huh?
Uh-huh.
Hang on, hang on. Go, 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 go.
Nice, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, man, Colt sniper grinding it. Nice fish, Dom. Sick,
Hell yeah,
bro. Great work, bro. Wow. Great, great work. Nice, yo, man. Hey, let me show that. See that jig? That's the Colt sniper right there. 42 gram, right?
Yep.
Original treble hook on it.
Yeah.
Long drop, quick retrieve. Beautiful fish.